Hi guys, welcome back to Pink K-Pop Academy. Today we're going to be working on counts and timing. So if you're somebody who really struggles with timings, with beats, you might be finding that, if everybody's clapping together, you're always like one clap off trying to keep up with everybody. Don't worry, okay? There's not something wrong with you. We can fix it, okay? Timing, like everything, is a skill, okay? And once our body gets used to feeling, to hearing, to knowing what timings are, it'll start to do them. And you won't even have to think about it, okay? I had a terrible sense of rhythm when I first started dancing, okay? I'm a teacher now. I had a terrible sense of rhythm. I couldn't focus on what a move was and where it went at the same time, okay? So all it takes is some practice at knowing what to expect, okay? Because K-pop has been using 4/4 beats forever, okay? Almost everything in K-pop is a 4/4 beat. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Once your body gets used to that rhythm of the 4 beats, sometimes it'll be faster, sometimes it'll be slower. But once it gets used to that pattern of 4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, always the same thing over and over and over, it's going to find no problem in picking up timings. It's going to have no problem in finding where things go. It's going to intuitively know it because it's going to know that pattern so well. But if our body isn't used to the pattern, then we can't expect it to just magically be able to do it. Yes, some people are better at this. Some people are born with the ability to pick these beats up faster. We're not in that category, my friend. But if I learned how to do it, you can learn how to do it, okay? So today we're going to keep it simple. We're just sticking with our 4/4 beats and we're staying on the 4/4 beats. Choreographers, they've been doing 4/4 beats forever, right? So they don't want to stay on the 4/4 beats. They want to go in between them, over them, under them, around them. We're not going to worry about those today, okay? All we're going to do is stick with our 4/4 beats because once you get used to that pattern, you can build other patterns on top of it, okay? So today we're going to stick with two simple patterns. One of them is a straight 4/4 beat, and the other one's going to have a little twist, just, to help challenge you a little bit, okay? So we're going to use 2 songs today. The first one is going to be Treasure's Boy, and the second one is going to be Mamamoo's Dingga, okay? And that's the one with the little twist in it. But we're going to start with Treasure Boy first, okay? So it's going to be an instrumental so that we can hear the beats really, really loudly, okay? And all we're going to do is clap. 2, 3, 4. That's all we're going to do, okay? So I'm going to play the music in a second. We're going to listen for 4 beats. So I'm just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4 so that you can hear what we're looking for. What we're looking for is claps. So there's going to be a nice loud clap sound, okay? Then we're going to clap together for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? Then I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to stand here and you're going to do it for 4 beats. And then I'm going to come back and we're going to do 4 claps again, okay? Then after we've done those 4s, it's going to speed up a little bit, okay? So then again, I'm going to count. This time I'm going to count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you clap for 8. And then we're going to come together for a final 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there's only 4 there because the beat pattern changes going into the chorus, and we don't need to deal with that today. Okay, so we're just going to do 4 for the last one. Okay, so if you're ready to get started, let's give it a go and see how we get on. Okay. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1, 2, 3. Your turn. Well done on doing that. How was it? You may not have gotten all of the beats the first time, okay? It takes a little while to get used to timing, okay? It takes time to learn how to do timing, okay? Because, we can't just learn something from a video one time and it's like, yes, now I'm the timing master. No. Unfortunately, it takes time. You got to give your body time to learn how these beats work, to learn what the patterns are, because it will. But we're the same with anything, guys. Once we do anything enough, our body picks it up so well we get bored of it, you know. So like I said earlier, I was really bad at timing at first. Now I love it when a song is complicated timing because I love the challenge of it, because 4/4 is easy now. So like everything, give yourself some time, practice it regularly, and your body's going to pick it up in absolutely no problem. Okay, so, but if you've got those, if you're happy with that and you'd like a little bit more of a challenge, we're going to move on to Dingga by Mamamoo. This is going to be an instrumental as well, just so we can hear the beats really clearly. So, we had the claps earlier, right? Now, claps normally are actually on every second beat. We tend not to have claps on every beat because it would be a bit overpowering in the song. But it's nice to have a little clap in there every second beat, just to lift the track a little bit, right? So what Dingga has is it's got a dum and it's got a clap, and they go together, okay? So dum for beat 1 and clap for beat 2, okay? So we're gonna do those together. So for the bass beat, the dum sound, you're gonna just take both fists and tap on your hip bones, okay? And then clap, and then we'll go dum, clap, dum, clap, dum, clap, dum, clap, dum, clap. Now, here's the trick, okay? The 4th set is going to be dum, dum, ka, okay? So we'll have dum, ka, dum, ka, dum, ka, dum, dum, ka, okay? That's how it's going to go. So that's where the tricky bit is that you've got that extra beat on the last set, okay? And because this one's a little trickier, we're going to go through it 2 times, but it'll be the same thing. We'll count 1. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you guys will go for 1. And then we'll come back together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to count, and then the music will loop, and we'll go again. Count for 8, do it for 8, you do it for 8, and together for 8. Okay, just to give you two goes of this because it's a little trickier, okay? So, if you're ready for that, let's give it a go. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go again. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. All right, guys, how was that? Well done on doing it. Don't worry if you were missing beats or if stuff doesn't make sense quite yet. It's just going to take some time to practice and get your body used to all those beat patterns and stuff, but it will get used to it. So what I can really recommend is keep going over these 2 little clips to help you practice, but as well as that, anytime you're listening to a song, try and pick out those claps or those dum dum beats. Try and find the 4/4. Try and clap your way through whatever song you can find, okay? And the more songs you do it with, the more variety of songs that you do it with, the more your body's going to get used to it, the more it's going to accept those patterns more and more easily, okay? So well done, guys. Y'all are awesome, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.